Message to Chioma. Chioma, you say your husband don't come outside again. He don't come do normal as they tell they do. And I know say before 10 days now, Davido go buy you expensive bag. He go carry and give you. Now waiting they always they beg you all the time if he offend you for woman's side. Now waiting they beg you be that. He go buy you shoe. Maybe this time around, he go do you chain like 100 million. I'll be 50 million. You know say now waiting you they like because of first of all, now waiting carry you enter Adeleke family be that, Chioma. Because Chioma, let me tell you something. You know go tell me say you love Davido. Now I make you go into Davido's life. No, you no love her. If you really do love Davido genuinely, Chioma, me when I dey here go don't see him. I know say a lot of people no go see him. But me where I dey here go don't see him because of waiting. Because I am a fighter. Any man when I come into their life, I fight. Reach where the man go take see Max say, yes, this woman really fight. But you are not fighting. You don't go there because you love Davido, Chioma. Chioma, you know if you look me for the same eye boy to eye boy, may you tell me say you love Davido. No, you love Davido. Need to pay Davido low ne. That is why you love Davido. You go to that family because of the richness that you see in that family and the surname where that family carry. You know love Davido. You doesn't care about Davido's life. Your husband, they come outside every day. They sleep with different type of woman. You don't see anything where you go do. And I don't want anybody to come under the comment section to come and write one can ye word.
Mona come, Mona join. May we dive on this Davido mouth. Chioma, now the petit for. Chioma is just wasting time. Yeah, I want me to.
Mommy, I eat your rice and March. I need to take off from Tensus too.
Finish and want me this thing first.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Hi, Chichi. Oh yeah. Not the see my people. Mona double tap. So say double tap.
Double tap.
This is Chioma's choice.
That means double.
See.
But not as simple as double tap. My son say more than double tap.
What means double tap?
Message to Chioma. Chioma, you say your husband don't come outside again. He don't come do normal as they tell they do. And I know say before 10 days now, Davido go buy you expensive bag. He go carry and give you. Now waiting they always they beg you all the time if he offend you for woman's side. Now waiting they beg you be that. He go buy you shoe. Maybe this time around, he go do you chain like 100 million. I'll be 50 million. You know say now waiting you they like because of first of all, now waiting carry you enter Adeleke family be that, Chioma. Because Chioma, let me tell you something. You know go tell me say you love Davido. Now I make you go into Davido's life. No, you no love her. If you really do love Davido genuinely, Chioma, me when I dey here go don't see him. I know say a lot of people no go see him. But me where I dey here go don't see him because of waiting. Because I am a fighter. Any man when I come into their life, I fight. Reach where the man go take see Max say, yes, this woman really fight. But you are not fighting. You don't go there because you love Davido, Chioma. Chioma, you know if you look me for the same eye boy to eye boy, may you tell me say you love Davido. No, you love Davido. Need to pay Davido low ne. That is why you love Davido. You go to that family because of the richness that you see in that family and the surname where that family carry. You know love Davido. You doesn't care about Davido's life. Your husband, they come outside every day. They sleep with different type of woman. You don't see anything where you go do. And I don't want anybody to come under the comment section to come and write one can ye word, especially my women. Because on I understand waiting at the talk. Say if woman ready to fight for man, he go fight for the man to the last. Especially this kind of man of Davido, where we say money day in hand. Why you not go fight for him? Especially this kind of man like Davido, where we say don't show him to all the whole world. Say in love you, in like you. Now this kind of man you're supposed to stand for. Chioma, why you not call your mother? Say, see what thing they happen to my husband. Why this thing they happen to my husband? This thing when I see mama. Now spiritual be not be spiritual. Then your mother will tell you. Your mother will tell you what to do. You don't know say what thing they happen to your husband. Now sickness. Your husband is sick for body, not be spiritual problem. Woman said get this thing where they happen to Davido. So woman not get control of man. And I saw your husband not get control of woman. Anything where they don't put zero, where they don't come put the design of purpose, Davido must go. Because Davido like better thing. Like all this shape, all these fine girls. In how I know they fit they come out. Now, wait to make Davido. I beg, Chioma, only your husband, be only the musician where they be say they know they do these things. Now only your husband. Burna Boy, they there. Burna Boy, they never carry on one day say he mess up. He mother reach mama finish. He protect him. Chioma, you cannot protect. All what you do is that you come outside from the social media. Immediately, your husband won't go sing. Then when they go shoot some 2 seconds camera and give you where you dey, you go dey happy, you go dey laugh. How long you want to laugh for this laugh? Chioma. Chioma, now only you, for woman, where I say you come live. You not come because of happiness. Because you are not happy. Because you are being controlled by your parents. Your parents say stay in that family. Don't go. Don't leave. Stay there. You still stay there. But if you really know that you want to stay and you love this guy, Chioma, you will do something. Chioma, do something for the life of Davido. I won't say more than this. Chioma, do something. You can do something. You are a woman. Don't ask me what to do. You can do something. Because you know, in this point of a time, Davido is in love with you badly. And anything when you tell Davido, you go do. Tell Davido you are walking away for life. If you see any scandal, again, say you see anything like this again, say your husband fly off a woman way pass. He even just look up. Say you live forever. You go, you stand on your ground. And you know this guy is in love with you badly. And they are delicate. Papa said is in love with you badly. And the family, all the entire family, they like you, they love you. Why can't you just do something and change the story of your life? Why can't you lay down and pray to God, say, God, can't you change the story of Davido for me? He's my husband, I love him. You chest the same chest with Davido. You have the same contacts. Use your contact as a woman, naked. Remove all this your earring. 12 o'clock midnight, call on the name of God Almighty. He's going to answer you. Tell him that the Davido that you know, that is sleeping with Orishirishi guests, you want God to change that thing. Change it so that if my husband see any girl, make it no like her, make it no love her. How long you want to stay? And you are telling all of us that you love Davido. You don't love him. A lot of us know that you don't love him. But we don't want to say anything. Because the choice is from Davido. Davido chooses you as his wife. That's why all of us will keep quiet. But you go there because of money. You won't tell me that you didn't go to that family because of money. You are waiting for Adeleke to deliver his pikin. If Adeleke did not deliver, who are you to deliver? You want his father that is old to deliver him. The only person that can deliver Davido in this problem where this guy serious problem. And I know say upon all the own money where Davido get, Davido they secretly sometimes they cry to Almighty God for this particular problem. And you where you call him wife, where you don't say you love him, you dead there. You know if you solve the problem of this guy. Do you even know when Davido is thinking? You don't know because you are there because of money. All you want is luxury thing. You want luxury life. That is what you want. If you born there, as far as your children have the wealth, and you can't believe, say, if anything happened to Davido, now all the property belongs to you. Irolopa. Now Yoruba people, you won't follow afar. Bagbeoshi. Bagbeoshi, Chioma. Bagbeoshi. The earlier the better for you to stand up, wake up, Chioma, and do something. Do something. Change the story of Davido. Change it. Don't go there because of money. Omoibo. Don't go there because of money. Change the story of your husband to be good, not to be bad.